Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the thread to learn what failed and why. Use a caliper or gauge to confirm size and pitch, then clean oil, dirt, and chips so tools will seat correctly. Once done, decide. Chase the existing thread if only burrs are present, re-tap for a larger insert, or use a helicoil for stripped threads. Each fixes different damage levels and preserves strength in different ways. You now perform the repair with steady control and lubrication to avoid further damage. Apply cutting oil, start the die or tap square to the part, and turn slowly. Back off every quarter to half turn to break chips and prevent binding. If using a helicoil, drill to specified size, tap the insert thread, then wind the coil in to the proper depth. This restores original thread dimensions and tensile capacity when done correctly. You finish by cleaning all chips and checking fit with the correct bolt or gauge, then torque to the specified value so the repair holds under load. Make sure the fastener seats fully and that engagement depth matches standards. Measure if uncertain. If the repair loosens or strips again, consider a larger insert size, a different insert style, or replacing the component. This troubleshooting step tells you whether the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.